Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to edit videos like a pro using the HitPaw Edimakor. If you've been looking for a simple way to make your videos look clean, professional, and social media ready, this tutorial is for you. Let's jump in. First thing first, you need to head over to your official HitPaw website and download the Edimakor. If it's available both Windows and Mac, and once installed, open the app and you'll land in the home screen. Then here, click the new project, and here you can set the desired resolution, and click the import button at the left up top left and add a video clips, image, or audio you want. And you'll see all your imported files in the media library. Then here, drag and drop the video clips and images in the timeline below. You can arrange, trim, or split the clips by easily moving the playhead using the scissors icon. Then head to the text tab to add captions, titles, or subtitles. Simply drag your preferred text template into your timeline and double click the detailed to edit the content, font, color, and animation. And now let's add some style. Go to Transition tab to smoothly shift between clips. Drag your favorite transition into your cuts between clips. You can also explore the Effects tab for color grading, glitch effects, and cinematic overlays. Then here you can click on the Audio tab to import the background music or sound effects. You can adjust the volume, fade in or out, or mute the clips individually for a clean audio control. And once you're happy with your edits, you can click the export button at the top right and choose your preferred resolution and format, then hit export. And that's it. You've just edited the professional looking video using HitPaw Edimakor in a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more tips. Thanks for watching.